everyone, my name is Shubham. I am one of the student of Go Online Training Institution. Since I have completed my BTech in mechanical engineering, I haven't find any jobs due to the COVID reasons and all. So later I have started applying for the jobs, and every time my resume is getting rejected. So later I found that I didn't have a relevant skills. I need to enhance my skills, and then I need to start applying for the jobs. So in this process I'm searching for the institutions, from which institution I need to grab the skills and all. So in this process I have found one of the institution, that is Go Online Training Institution with 4.2 rating, which is running by Bhaskar Jogi sir. I've connected to him. After speaking to the sir suggested me to the first thing the sir suggested me that instead of choosing the right skills, first you need to choose the right mentor, because mentoring is most important in IT industry if you want to sustain for a long period of time, because who will guide our entire life in this process. So uh, when sir suggested me to attend this demos, and I have after attending the demos I have thought that I have taken the good decision. After attending the demos, so after attending the demos, I was quite impressive, because the sir's teaching was very understandable, which was exceptionally outstanding. So later I have joined the course and have acquired all the skills so what sir suggested me to learn. And later I have done 2 real-time projects, and also have done 1 month of internship. And this time when I've started applying for the jobs and my resume is getting selected, I am getting the interview calls. So the first 2 interviews I have not selected due to some reasons. So after failing the first 2 interviews, so I have learned from that mistake, so what I have done in my previous interview, so this time I have not done. So in my third interview I was selected in one of the startup company with a good package, so as a SQL developer. So while I'm answering the questions in my third interviews, the HRs in the interviews was quite impressive, because the way I've answered the questions, with the way I'm explaining the answers, so the HRs was quite impressive, and they're shocked that you have a very vast knowledge and you are explaining too good. So after that I have realized that so what sir taught me in the course, so exactly they are asking the same, and the HRs was quite impressive. So lastly thank you sir, your mentorship has been truly been instrumental in my growth. So the one thing I can suggest is that if you join in Go Online Training Institution, the one thing I can assure is that you will get a confidence that you can crack any interview, because the way of teaching the Bhaskar sir have designed the course was truly invaluable, that anybody can easily understand and anybody can easily get into IT industry. And that's all. Thank you.